Okay, thank you, Pradersha. Now, before we begin today's session, let us first recall the topic that we encountered previously. Let's have an activity. So this activity is what we call bingo. Okay, I want you to group into two groups. This is group 1 and the left side will be group 2. So since when I function ang TV, I will take na lang the mechanics. So the mechanics of this bingo, no, I have here the bingo cards. So the mechanics of this bingo, I will give it to you after giving the instruction or the mechanics. So each group will receive a bingo cards, and then the group that will get 3 correct words in a row is either a vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. May grupo nga madako. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright. Sorry. So the rest na wala ikam ha, you can na lang na goal sa inyong classmates, and then magkuha na mo brainstorm or tapang kung what is the correct answer. Okay, another is, okay, settle down. Each of you, or at least one representative na lang to get a question here, and then he or she will read the question. And after that, if ang group ko is hindi siya ka-answer, there is a possibility na maka-answer ang group 1 or group 2. Alright? Okay, first, Janelle. Please, your classmate.
Most substances are unrecoverable. That when we are treated because the volume of the substance will increase.
What is the answer? Expansion is correct. Okay, 9 expansions in your bingo cards.
Yes, sir.
Next, group 2.
A measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in an object. Temperature.
Okay, the correct answer is temperature. Very good. Okay, 9 temperatures in your bingo cards.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, again, Radia.
Is the three-dimensional space occupied by a gas?
What is the answer?
Is the three-dimensional space occupied by a gas?
Gas pressure is wrong, so group 2, come here.
The answer is volume.
Very good. The answer is volume. Alright, so since there's a bingo, na bingo sa group 1, then nanatay 1 din yung winner. So let's continue the game. Dahil dapat yung mga kabok ng mga bingo, okay? I mean tulo. Sorry for that. I mean no. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Okay, very good. Okay, let's give a round of applause for Margaret Clark for group 1. Collect your bingo cards. Okay. Now, do you have any questions regarding to the topic that you have encountered? Okay, since there's none, let's proceed to our new lesson today. Okay, but before that, let's have an activity. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
In this activity, G. And of course, I have here the cards, or the words rather. So I'm going to read the descriptions, and one of you, again, I'm going to group it into two groups. Okay, this is group 1, and this is group 2. So this is for you, group 2, the cards, or the words. And then, alright, so again, I will read this description, and if you know the answer, you can come here in front and post your answer. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number one description. This theory states that a constant pressure volume is directly proportional to the temperature of gas. Alright, number 2 description. It is the scientist who stated the relationship between volume and pressure. Okay, number 3. The basic unit of measuring temperature in the international system. And last is the relationship between volume and temperature. Okay, very good class. Okay, from the word that we have successfully matched, no, from the activity which is matching, what do you think is our lesson or topic for today? Anyone? Okay, Sheena? Okay, very good. Our topic for today is all about Charles law. Now, we will tackle about the relationship between volume and pressure at constant temperature of a gas. By that, to furthermore explain or discuss the lesson, may I call on my co-teacher or